Question. Some people think the high sales of products reflect the power of advertising instead of the consumer's demand. To what extent do you agree or disagree with the opinion? This is an amplified version of thesis statement and two topic sentences. The thesis statement says, 1. May be true that advertising boosts sales. 2. It also encouraged people to buy things unnecessarily. The first topic sentence says advertising company uses famous and popular actors or singers. If not further explaining why it does so, it would be like an announcement which leaves no room to discuss. The second topic sentence should relate to the second point of the thesis statement in about how to buy things unnecessarily. But it just says the opposite, that consumers are not always controlled by advertising. So we see that there's a switch and a break of supporting relationship if it does not align with thesis statement.